We just received an order and today we're gonna take you along and show you how we prepare your order for shipping. At GCIRON we stock thousands of OEM parts straight from the manufacturer, and every part is carefully labeled and cataloged so that we can quickly find any part you are looking for. Using the order slip we can determine what parts we need to grab. This order calls for a JLG platform cable harness, part numbered 10010967005S. Once we locate and collect all the necessary parts, all that's left to do is package up the order, apply the shipping label, and send it your way. Now we're off to the next order. Thanks for watching.